I'm Clara from Thousand Islands RV Center here in Gananoque, Ontario. We just took this 2014 Jayco Eagle 26.5 half-ton towable, a fifth wheel in on trade. I'm going to show you a couple of the benefits that you can get on this beautiful fifth wheel. Starting at the front, I love it. I put my cell phone and my sunglass clip-ons here. This is your power control center. So you have a power awning, power slide. Your other power slide will be up in the bedroom. All your interior and exterior lights are in here. And with your cell phone here, you can charge it right on the spot. We're in the rear kitchen, and I understand everybody talks about rear kitchens. This is a more ride suspension, so you're not going to have your dishes on the floor when you stop, which is good. So you have a 60/40 sink with a power pull-down nozzle to easily clean out. What I like is the kitchen window. It can open up. This is an awning style window, so you can always leave it open in the rain. It gives you that nice flow in. And you got lots of cupboard space in here, both above and below the sink. This does have an extended, comes out to about 2.5 feet for a counter space, so you have lots of prep area, obviously your stove and your microwave. Now this is a 6 cubic foot fridge. The way I know that, it's got 3 shelves. If it had 4, it'd be 8. You got lots of prep station here, again with the awning windows, love them. Got a small little cubby, 2-shelf cubby here. I call it the bread box, great place to put it, out of the way. And then you have your dinette. But what I like about this is you've got 2 skylights in here. You got one above in the kitchen and one above in over the dining room. What I like about that, it gives you lots of natural light. So the nice feature on this one, obviously your TV goes up here, but this is an AM FM, CD, DVD, MP3, USB, indoor-outdoor speaker. So this TV here will have the DVDs. You can get the surround sound on it, which is good. And again, it's a Jensen, so it's a marine quality stereo. It's great indoor and out. So before we head up into the bedroom and bathroom, I want to show you, a lot of them are coming in, a lot of the trailers are coming in with the remote control. So this one particularly has, you can put your main jacks down in the front and in the back. You can open your slides up and you can turn your porch light on, which is great, especially if you camp alone. People may not be around you, and you can walk around the whole unit while you're doing it, which is great. Another nice feature is they have nightshades in all their windows. So keep the people from looking in at night when all the lights are on. So coming up here into the bedroom, we have a queen bed. Now a lot of people think that queen beds are residential. Yes, there are trailers out there that have a residential queen bed. This happens to be 60 inches wide, probably only 74 inches long. They're not a true residential queen, but it gives you that access to get around. So you have a walk around island bed. Then you have your 2-foot slide out for your wardrobe, and it goes through and through. So you have his and hers, or hers, and he can have that little tiny closet over there. So you have your typical fifth wheel bathroom. You have your angle shower, your sink, your flush. There's a bit more storage in here that you would find in other ones. It's still a great bathroom on the go. If you want to come and take a closer look at this, I would love to show it to you and other models we have at Thousand Islands RV. Best way to reach me is my cell. It's 613-532-7834. Thanks again for letting me share this beautiful Jayco half-ton towable Eagle.